welcome back to the Kid Kaos Show. It's so great you guys can all make it. Shout out to all my new fans, Nick H and Sweet Tooth, and every single one of you. Well, today we're going to be doing something different. Something that's uncomfortable for me, but fun for you to watch. And what's not fun about dance moves?
Dance. Nothing else I need to do but dance. All these bad times I'm going through, just dance. Got candy in my ears tonight, baby.
It makes you look cool in front of your peeps at the club, at parties, and at social events. So here's some of my top 5 dance moves that'll make you a dancing machine.
Let me talk to you. Come on. So they have them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her.
Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight.
Can't touch this.
Those were our top 5 awesome dance moves to make you look like a dancing machine. Stay tuned for the next Kid Kaos Show, and peace out. Goodbye. Make sure to hit that little button down below